Hello everybody. What I want to talk today is about a plugin that is called Prettier, and I want to start first with the problem. This is a code that I have, and you see that there is a function here, but it is really not looking very good because there is an argument here and an argument here, and this does not look very good. You cannot understand this very well. And this is a JavaScript file, and this is HTML file. You can see here that there are spaces here, and the code and the HTML is not looking very good. Also, you have here the key and the value is here, and you cannot see this. So what I want to do is to format it. So yes, I can do it manually. Yes, I can do something like this. Okay, but as a programmer, I am a lazy person, so I want something automatic, or something that after I click a button, it will format this code for me. And the solution is something as a plugin that is called Prettier. Okay, this is the plugin, and you can use it for various IDE, Atom, Emacs. I will use it for VS Code, and you can use it for various languages like JavaScript, and use it also for CSS, HTML, and also for these languages. So let's see how we can do it. First, I will go for the extensions and look here for Prettier. Okay, you see here Prettier code formatter. We can install it. Okay, it is installed. And now we need one more setting. Preference, setting, and format on save. Okay, let me click here, and now we are done. Let's get back here. Let's close this. Okay, and when I'm doing here, when I'm saving the file, I can save the file with Ctrl S. So when I click on Ctrl S, you see that it looks much better. And if I go here, you see how it looked before. And I simply click on Ctrl S, and you see that this code looks much better. Also, if I had a CSS file, it will format it. I have here a JSON file. Okay, you see here. Let's make it look ugly like this and like this. And here I simply click Ctrl S, and you see that now it looks much prettier. And you can easily format your code using a simple click on Ctrl S. Thank you.